time Big Ben-sized city-killer asteroid is monitored by NASA and will skim Earth today. The space rock named 216 JG38 after the year it was discovered, 2016, is classed by the U.S. Space Agency as a near-Earth object due to the proximity of the passing of our planet, and NASA is closely monitoring the asteroid, thought to be up to the size of Big Ben, as it skims past the Earth later today. The space rock named 216 JG38 after the year was discovered, classified as a near-Earth object due to the proximity to the Earth. And such objects are monitored by NASA to learn more about the asteroids and comets that pass us, and more importantly, because of its course changed, could possibly endanger the planet. The asteroid is believed to be between 42 and 93 meters in length. That's about almost 300 feet, based on observations, and it'll pass the planet at 4:12 p.m. BST today. But if a space rock of such a size were to impact our Earth, it could destroy a whole city and lead to rapid climate change as well. Fortunately, it's expected to pass by at just over 3 million miles away, or 13.17 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. This is still considered a close pass approach by NASA in terms of scale of the solar system. Large numbers of near-Earth asteroids pass the planet each month, with NASA keeping close tabs on them for very good reasons. A smaller asteroid called 2024 SN8, which was discovered this year, passed the Earth at about 7:30 a.m. today, BST, at a much closer distance of 771,000 miles away. The rock only discovered this year is up to 40 meters in size, about 120 meters, 120 feet, meaning a direct strike would be a significant event. There are 38 further close approaches being monitored by NASA in October. NASA has developed technology that can knock an asteroid off its path, and it is hoped that this could be used in the event of one that was actually on target to hit us, if it was found on time, to ensure it's passed safely instead. And the space agency trialed it in 2022 when its DART mission deliberately crashed into the Dimorphos asteroid to see if they could be diverted. In September 2022, NASA DART mission deliberately crashed a vending machine-sized space probe into the 151-meter wide asteroid to see if it would be nudged enough to change its course. Yesterday, the European Space Agency, ESA, sent its Hera spacecraft on a mission to the Dimorphos, 195 million kilometers away, to investigate the impact of NASA's test. Hera, which is the size of a car, will also investigate a second asteroid during its mission. Joseph Aspacher, Director General of ESA, said the risk of an asteroid hitting our planet affects everyone everywhere, making planetary defense an inherently international endeavor. Dimorphos is a moon of a larger asteroid Didymos, the binary asteroid chosen as a target, and it was expected that the moon asteroid would remain in the bigger one's gravitational pull. Early observations of DART impact showed it changed Dimorphos' orbit around Didymos by around 32 minutes, 26 times greater than the minimum deflection predicted. Hera will also set off 2 microsatellites that will go into orbit around the asteroid system and then land on Dimorphos' surface to get more information about its composition. Mr. Aspacher has said Hera will gather the data we need to turn kinetic impact into a well-understood and repeatable technique on which all of us may rely on one day to protect our Earth. Earth has been hit, suffering more than 3 million times by bits of space rocks in our 4.5 billion year history. The most significant was a 110-mile asteroid that hit the Chicxulub, Mexico area 66 million years ago, and that was the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. And this is by John Austin on Express UK. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.